What if I told you that most people have no idea where their money actually goes? According to a study by the US Bank, 41% of Americans use a budget, but I'd bet even fewer track their actual spending. So I decided to run an experiment. Track every single expense for 30 days with zero judgment, just data. What I discovered completely changed how I think about money. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system to do the same thing. Let's dive in. Before we get into my results, let's talk about why this matters. You've probably heard the phrase, you can't manage what you don't measure. This is especially true with money. Most of us operate on what I call financial autopilot. We earn money, we spend money, and we hope there's something left at the end of the month. But hope is not a strategy. When you track your expenses, three things happen. First, you become aware of your actual spending patterns, not what you think you spend. Second, you identify money leaks, those small recurring expenses that add up to hundreds monthly. Third, you create accountability, which naturally reduces impulse spending. Now, let me show you exactly what happened during my 30-day tracking experiment. Here's how I set this up, and you can replicate this exactly. Step 1. I chose a tracking method. I used a free app called Mint, but you could use a spreadsheet, a notebook, or apps like YNAB or EveryDollar. The tool doesn't matter, consistency does. Step 2. I created spending categories. Groceries, dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, transportation, shopping, and miscellaneous. Step 3. I committed to logging every purchase within 24 hours. This is critical. If you wait too long, you'll forget things. Step 4. I set a reminder on my phone for 8 p.m. every day to review and log expenses. The key rule: no judgment, no restriction. This wasn't about cutting spending yet. It was purely about gathering data. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. After 30 days, I had logged 247 transactions. Here's what jumped out. Discovery number 1, food was my biggest leak. I spent $480 on food, but here's the kicker. $312 of that was dining out and delivery. I was spending more on restaurant food than groceries. I genuinely thought I was spending maybe $150 on eating out. Discovery number 2, subscription creep is real. I found $87 in monthly subscriptions I barely used. That's over $1,000 a year on services I forgot existed. Discovery number 3, my treat yourself Sundays were costing me $240 a month. Every Sunday I'd browse online and make small purchases that felt insignificant. $15 here, $30 there, but they added up to a car payment. Discovery number 4, awareness changed behavior automatically. By week 3, I noticed I was naturally spending less. Just knowing I'd have to log a purchase made me pause and ask, do I really need this? I cut my spending by 23% without creating a formal budget. The total damage: I identified $847 in monthly spending that wasn't aligned with my goals or values. That's over $10,000 a year I was essentially throwing away. All right, here's your action plan to start tracking today. Step 1, choose your tracking tool right now. Don't overthink this. A simple spreadsheet works fine. Step 2, create 5 to 7 broad categories. Don't get too detailed initially or you'll quit. Step 3, commit to 30 days minimum. The first week shows you what you spend. Weeks 2-4 show you your patterns. Step 4, review weekly. Every Sunday, look at your spending by category and ask, does this reflect my priorities? Step 5, after 30 days, analyze the data. Calculate what percentage goes to each category. Identify your top 3 money leaks. Pro tip: get your partner or family involved. When everyone tracks together, accountability multiplies. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Even if you only capture 80% of your spending, you'll still get massive insights. Tracking changed my financial life, and it required almost zero willpower, just awareness. If you want a free expense tracking template, I've linked it in the description below. Start today, track for 30 days. I promise you'll be shocked at what you discover. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical money tips. See you in the next one.